Greetings and salutations, O you wordsmiths, you who make language simply by thinking it, O you dreamers and schemers. Hi. Too complicated, too wordy, too elaborate? Perhaps, but I gotta be me. It's a necessity. Can't be a David without the classic David wordiness. It's a package deal. As you can tell from my having written them down, the words in this video are elaborate and necessity, which I shall define in short order. Then we'll do some word origins, and finally, I'll use them both in a sentence. Elaborate. It's an adjective and a verb. As an adjective, it means detailed or complex, like my introduction just now. That was really detailed. As a verb, it means to explain in more detail, and you say it slightly differently. The adjective is elaborate, the verb is elaborate. Subtle difference. And necessity is a noun. It means something that is required or needed. Word origin time. Elaborate comes from ex and labor, ex meaning out and labor meaning work. Labor is a standalone word in English that also means work. One of those words where the letter X disappears from the X prefix, where the X is hiding. You see this also in words like eject, to throw out, or erase, to rub or scrape out. Why? It's just easier to say erase than X-race, easier to say eject than exject. The root labor gives us words like collaborate, working together, or laborious, a thing that is a lot of work or takes a lot of work, and laboratory, a place where work happens. Necessity is made of three parts. Ne, meaning not, ses or said, meaning give up, give in, or just go, and ity, ity, which makes the word into a noun-forming suffix, we call it. So a necessity is something you can't give up. Water, food, shelter, it's a requirement. You can't go without it. For me, it's beans, a necessity for life. Pinto beans, black beans, cannellinis, and my beloved good mother Stallards, which I just grew in my backyard this year. Other words that use ses or said as a root include cease, which means to stop or halt, to give up what you're doing. Recess, when you get to stop what you're doing and go back somewhere else. Re means back. So recess is when students get break time to go play outside, or when politicians call a break in a lawmaking session. That's also called a recess. Incessant. In also means not, so an incessant thing does not stop. It does not cease. Imagine an incessant car alarm. It keeps going off. Horrible. I can imagine it now, and I'd rather not. Let's use these words in some sentences, wordsmiths. Francisco's Halloween decorations were always elaborate, but the year he hired actual zombies was a bit much. His decorations were always complicated and took a lot of work. Dr. Mercurio elaborated on her evil plan by describing the exact flight path her spacecraft would take as she stole the ice caps off of Mars. She's explaining it, she's describing it in detail. Wordsmiths, hey, please don't steal the ice caps. Relatedly, if you're going to space, then extra oxygen is a necessity. If you enjoy breathing, that is. Because, again, you need oxygen to live. Can't get along without it. And I need vocabulary to live and thrive, the same way plants need light and water. Without words, I would wither and die, like an unloved fern. But I've got plenty of words. All the words in the world, in fact, so I'll be fine. I'll see you in the next one. You can learn anything. David out.